Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to write on wrote in Photoshop for two way. Apply the first way, create a new layer. I already create new layer. Then type vertical type tool or horizontal type as you wish. I use vertical type tool. Text size 72. Arial simple. Text color white. Okay. Then write something. Okay. Hold Control T and right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Again right click mouse, rasterize layer, hold Ctrl T, hold Ctrl. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Hold alter. Now see this missing text on road.